As I mentioned, here's the video on how to check for updates. It is really simple. All you're going to do is go down to the Windows, click on that, go up here to the gear option, click on that, and then when you get to this point, you're going to click on Update and Security. You will see a check for updates. Some may have updates sitting there. If you do, go ahead and install those updates. And then anytime you restart your machine, after you've updated it, go ahead, go back in and check for updates again until you get to the point where it says you have no more updates available. This process will take a little while to check for the updates, and depending on when your computer was last updated, you may have several updates available to download and install, and that process could go on for a couple restarts. This is also something while we're waiting here, this is also something that should be done almost every third day. Just a note to yourself to go in and check for updates so that any of these holes that cyber criminals could get through are patched up. There you go. Mine says up to date. Another way to know if you are currently up to date, if it says up to date, you can also go here to OS build info. Click on that. It'll say about, and your version should be at 1903. In your build at 18362. If you are there, then you are currently up to date. Thank you very much and have a great break.